Cape Agulhas, located in South Africa, marks the southernmost point of the African continent, where the Indian and Atlantic Oceans converge. It's a place of breathtaking natural beauty, where rugged cliffs meet the tumultuous seas, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring vista. Standing at the edge, you feel the powerful collision of currents, an emblematic meeting point that's both symbolic and geographically significant. The iconic lighthouse, perched majestically atop the rocky landscape, stands as a testament to maritime history, guiding ships through treacherous waters. The surrounding landscape boasts diverse flora and fauna, with fynbos-covered hills and expansive coastal plains that provide a habitat for a variety of unique species. Visitors can explore the surrounding area, discovering shipwrecks along the coast or hiking trails that offer panoramic views of the ocean meeting the sky. The raw, untamed beauty of Cape Agulhas invites contemplation and connection with nature, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking adventure, tranquility, and a sense of standing at the edge of the world.